In today's video, I am going to teach you how to lock AutoCAD file from editing. While there isn't a perfect locks for DWG files, you can make your drawings much harder to modify and easier to verify. First, we'll turn the entire drawing into a protected block that can't be exploded. This discourages edits to individual components. In the command line, type block. When the block definition dialog opens, select all the objects you want to protect, so the whole design is included. In the behavior section, make sure allow exploding is unchecked. That setting is key because it prevents others from simply exploding the block to access the underlying geometry. Give the block a clear name so you can recognize it later. Then click OK to create it. Now place that block into a brand new drawing. By inserting it into a clean file, you are sharing the finished result as a single object, which makes casual editing significantly harder. It's not bulletproof, but it's a solid layer of deterrence. Next, for even stronger protection when sharing, publish the design as a DWF or DWFX. Use the export DWF command. This produces a lightweight file that can be viewed, measured, and plotted, but is difficult to edit because it's a published format rather than native DWG. If you need to reference this design in another DWG without enabling direct edits, attach the DWF as an underlay using DWF attach. As an underlay, it's visible for coordination and plotting. Yet it stays read-only, which is ideal for distributing final designs to stakeholders who don't need to modify them. Finally, add a security layer with a digital signature. Type digital sign in the command line to apply a signature to the DWG. A valid signature lets recipients verify the file's integrity and origin. And it helps prevent unauthorized changes by making any tampering immediately visible. If the drawing is altered after it's signed, the signature status will reflect that, so everyone knows whether the file remains trustworthy. Use 1, 2, or all 3, depending on how tightly you need to control modifications and how the file will be shared or referenced. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.